Hey guys, welcome to BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we are going to introduce the gridline extension of Element Pack Pro plugin. It is one of the most wanted features for Elementor that further improves your website designing experience in real time. Let's see how this extension works. First of all, go to the Extensions tab inside Element Pack Pro dashboard and turn on the Grid Line switcher. Don't forget to hit the Save Changes button. Now the feature is activated and ready to use. Let's open a page inside Elementor Page Builder. We are adding some content up front to leave enough room for the guideline feature to work on. Now go to the page settings by clicking on the icon at the bottom left corner. Here you will see the grid line option below the general settings. Click on the section and turn on the button to activate grid lines on your current page. The best thing about this feature is it helps you align and measure the page designs so that you can make the perfect web page with no error. Let's change the line color to something deeper. Note that the grid line will show on the whole page, not even leaving the headers or footers. Once you have a suitable line color, you can change the column color to make a nice looking pattern. Anyway, you can increase the number of grid lines to a maximum of 12 and a minimum of 1. You can edit the numbers as you feel comfortable. After that, you can change the maximum width of the grid, adjusting it to match the width of the page you are working on. Then, you can turn on the outline button to make additional 2 new lines appear on both sides of the grid, making the bleed area for the design. Another thing is, you can change the width of the lines to make them appear thinner or thicker on your web page. And there's also an option for rotating the line into any direction you need. For the last option, you can use Z-index to make the grid appear over the header, just like we mentioned above. This helps arrange the heading similar to the rest of the page content. Not just the header, but also the footer falls into the range of the grid lines. You can also use the grid for decorating your whole page with nice line art. That's it for today. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Until next time.